This is an Alberta emergency alert. The government of Alberta has issued a province-wide test alert. This alert is in effect for Alberta. This is only a test. If this had been an actual emergency or threat, you would now hear instructions that would assist you to protect you and your family. If you are in the affected area, take a moment to consider your own readiness to respond and talk to your household about how ready you would have been if this alert were real. For details, visit www.emergencyalert.alberta.ca or stay tuned to local media.